Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if your Windows search bar isn't working, here's how to fix it. First, open Task Manager by searching for it. Right-click on this Windows icon and select Task Manager. Expand the Task Manager section and find Windows Explorer. And if you find it, right-click on it and select End Task. Then restart your computer to see if that fixes the problem. You can also restart the search service. Press Windows key plus R to open the run command, and now type services.msc, then press OK. Find Windows Search, right click on it and select Restart. Make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. You can also try the troubleshooter. Go to Settings and then go to System. Tap on Troubleshooter and run it if it's available. Finally, check for corrupted system files. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Search for command prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as administrator and give administrative privileges if needed. Once it is opened, you need to go ahead and type sfc/scan now. Hit enter in your keyboard. Wait for the scan to reach 100% and then restart your computer. These methods should fix your search bar issue. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.